Hello and welcome to another Blacklist walkthrough guide. Today we're going to be talking about how to favorite material that you want to return to, where it gets saved, and how to update those collections so that you can come back to them at any time. I will also point out that favoriting and your collections are one of the strongest features of the Blacklist mobile app. So if you're wanting to read things on the go, I would definitely make sure that you have the app ready. So as a reminder, anytime you hit one of the heart icons up here, that automatically prompts you to add it to one of your collections. So let's say that I'm really interested in following up with this project, but I don't have time to dig into it right now. I can hit the heart, then I'm going to add it to I want to read this. And see there, it's also visually indicated. And you can do that with any project across our site ecosystem. Now, if you want to find where these projects are, you'll go up to your profile menu in the top right corner of your screen, open that up, and hit the Favorites tab. And from here, you can see any of the project collections that you've created, as well as any collections of writers that maybe you want to follow up with or get more familiar with their work. If you click into it, you'll be able to see the whole thing. Hit the back button there. Now, a really fun thing, you can share these collections individually. So if you are working across a team, or if you come across some projects that you think would be of particular interest to a colleague, you can save them and then send them the direct link to those projects all at once. Of course, you can also edit your collections. And if for some reason you just kind of need to clear the air, you can delete each one as well. That's a quick overview of how to favorite material, save your collections, and where to find it.